sa lahat! Magandang gabi! Kumusta na kayo? Tonight on this video, let's have the 10 most used Tagalog slang words. Let's start! For our first one, let's have chibog. 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 Chibog can either mean food or eat. For example, halimbawa, chibog na tayo. Chibog na tayo. Or, if you see food, wow, chibog. Wow, chibog. Wow, food. Tara, chibog na tayo. Come on, let's eat. And, for our second one, engot. 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 That's a Tagalog slang word for tanga. Or, sa English, stupid. Engot. Engot. For our third one, we have the word praning. 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 Praning is used to either mean paranoid or crazy. Praning ka talaga. Praning ka talaga. You're really crazy or you're really paranoid. Praning ka talaga. Napapraning ka na. Napapraning ka na. So, that's our third one. Praning. It's our fourth one. For our fourth one, we have the word chika. Chi. Chika. 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 Used to either mean this or this. Sa Tagalog ay chismis o balita. Halimbawa, may chika ako sa'yo. May chika ako sa'yo. I have something to tell you. If you're walking and you see your friends talking and you wanna say, what are you guys talking about? Anong chika? Anong chika? For our fifth one, if you're trying to talk to someone and he or she ignored you or pretended that he or she didn't hear you, that's deadma. Our fifth one, deadma. Deadma. If you're trying to talk to someone and they are ignoring you and you wanna say, hey, don't ignore me. Uy, wag mo akong deadmahin. Uy, wag mo akong deadmahin. Deadmahin. So, that's our fifth one. Deadma. Deadma. Our sixth Tagalog slang word, you've probably seen this on our Learn Tagalog Facebook page. Dedo. 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 Dedo is the Tagalog slang word for the Tagalog word patay. 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 Or sa English, dead. Dedo. Example, 7 months ng dedo ang aso ko. 7 months ng dedo ang aso ko. We have the word jowa. 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 Some pronounce the word jowa. Jowa. And some pronounce the word jowa. Wa. Jowa. That means boyfriend or lover. Jowa. Jowa. That's our 7th Tagalog slang word. Jowa. For our 8th Tagalog slang word, may chika ako for all of you guys. I'm earning $1,000 from my Learn Tagalog Facebook page. Charot. Charot. That's our 8th word. Charot. Cha. Rot. Rot. Charot. That means, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Or, I'm joking. So, that's our 8th word. Charot. 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 Means, sa Tagalog, biro. Biro lang. I'm joking or I'm kidding. Second to the last, we have Bokya. 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 Bokya could mean this, or this one. Halimbawa, let's say you spent the whole day looking for a job and it was unsuccessful, or you failed again. You get home and your wife asks you, how was it? And you want to say, I failed, or I failed again, or it was unsuccessful again. Bokya na naman. Bokya na naman. Or another example, nagpunta ka sa casino at talo ka. You can say, bokya na naman. Bokya na naman. So, that's our ninth word. Bokya. Bokya. And for our last one, gurang. 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 Gurang is the slang for the Tagalog word matanda, o sa Ingles ay old. Halimbawa, example, you're only 25 years old. Mukhang gurang ka na. That's our last one. Gurang. Gurang. And that's all for tonight. See you again on the next video. Good night. Bye.